No. You love me?
Yeah, man, I love you, man. Me love you. I want fuck.
Hey!
So them I watch him. Cook him down, yeah? Yeah. There I eat some of my Chinese food, huh? And what is I eat? Tuyo. Yeah, Irish. Yeah. And you know where next meet our? Frog back. Yeah? Lone frog back chop up like chicken back. Yeah, I'm trying to eat for lunch today, you know? Yeah, you know, say I force me to taste it. Yeah, I always tell him say I'm good. And my idea, he say me a sample it. Tuyo. Yeah, I'm power. Frog back. Fucking hell, next week Sunday, you know, say a fried dog. And tuyo. And bread. Body of bad, outside. Yeah, man. And a joke thing, man. Loan tuyo. Tuyo. Outside.
Say who married Rosalie?
This what I did. About the better balloon?
Yeah, Rosalie.
Better balloon lazy. I will take care of me. But Rosalie now move. She work me like a slave.
What do you mean she not move?
She don't move. Where Rosalie do? What the balloon that? We must have a next one in the rocking dolly to any.
No, Rosalie me talk.
But Rosalie now go move on dinner. No, I cook me dinner. Sometimes I want to bathe me and I want to.
Who you want for bathe you?
My woman bathe me.
For do what?
Put me in a bath and me fuck her.
Put you in a bath, yeah, baby?
Yeah. I want a bath, me tired. And she bathe me.
So you want your woman put you in a bath?
Hey, it's a bath. Not the bathroom, restroom. You man can't bathe if you're tired, you know. Oh, no.
So
but
why?
you can't take care of blood clot, man.
So why you never tell me to bathe yet?
But we don't have no bath.
Come on, bathe now.
Hold on, man, cool up, man.
Alright. Hello, good afternoon. You're speaking to Mr. Dwayne Johnson. I'm speaking to you here live from the United States. I'm wondering how's the weather over there. The Sweepstake International Limited, the cashier brokers clearance house. I'm sure you heard of the cashier brokers. I deal with them over there in the United States of America. Directly, we're dealing with the sponsors right now, the Sweepstake International Limited. Now, what we have you heard of? Right Aid, VAT Pharmacy, Right Aid Pharmacy, or that place that where they all go for a shopping center, yeah, over there in the mall of the United States. We'll be having a few more random questions from our in-house publisher's questionnaire.
Tell you that you are the winner of the prize. I want to tell you that you are the winner of the prize, alright? You are the winner of the prize, baby girl. Baby girl, calm down, baby girl. Calm down, baby girl. You know we do this. Calm down, baby girl, you know. Calm down. Calm down, baby girl, and listen to me. It's 022 and today is the 15th. Today is the 15th of 022, alright? So listen to what I have to say, baby girl. I would want you to understand that I love you first, before anything. I want you to understand.
Yeah, fuck you. You know what? Yeah.
Me I go come off of this now. Me I come off of this. Me I ask you something personal. You love me?
Yeah, man, I love you, man. Me love you. I want fuck.
Hey!
You say I come up with that?
I come on five about Jerome.
And breathe. Hey, me love you. Look, you go a good looking girl.
Make you see what?
Suck breast.
Jerry, don't play with me.
No,
now.
go suck breast.
Jerry!
Yeah, fuck with my head.
Why you so honey?
Because I'm in a fuck. Not when I'm 6 years. I mean, I drink the roots.
Stop drink it.
It's can't stop. I need strength. It gives strength. And you know me detox your pass or something. Eh?
Brother.
Well, come sleep with me and give me
This?
some pussy now. Oh, you want
Jerry, me not sleep with you.
You
Stop.
know, give me the pussy.
Me not-
See the passing, no?
This?
Yeah.
Me not sleep with you.
No, give me pussy, because you're afraid. Melt out pussy word.
They not
Yeah,
melt
pass.
on Jerome and you not
Melt
clap.
out it.
They come like my father.
And doesn't stop.
House, brother. Just
I'm Mr. When the blood clot, you leave me alone, boy. You leave me alone, batty boy.
oh, yeah.
3 rocks when man come in and they clean for me. I
know him.
Boy,
I know me, you see? I know me.
I'm going to say that again, run with
With this small tie bus, humble Flintstone. Humble Flintstone. Humble Flintstone. Humble Flintstone, I'm with this small tie bus. Humble Flintstone, I'm with this small tie bus.
No police force can bumbo clot talk to me.
Humble Flintstone, I'm with this small tie bus.
Chop off your bumbo clot and clean off. I tell you play that. I said, go on and work tomorrow. Every night the boy come clean for me, then they go work. That's why you can't show up for me and come bumbo clot work. I know see me I work first time in the body boy.
Yo, move from back here, man. How do you? Move from back here, man.
And they told me coming and they come in. I want to feel work. I want to come back and think that I walk up and show people how me can. I go and kill your blood dog. I don't keep talking about you, but you see me tell you about kill around here.
Yo, stop
I do
chatting.
what I'm going to do, you finger and tap you.
Wait, how me fling on me this small tie bus? How me fling? How me fling on me this small tie bus?
I think walking nothing. I tell you to get money. Where the thousand alpha?
How me fling on me this small tie bus? You see?
Oh, you're in a driving beer, you're going to burn it down. Me? Oh, the bomber clock you're coming.
They know murder. Murderers, man, murderers.
Bomber clock, my brother. Alright. Only you have 5 fingers and a blood clot, and you tell you what you will kill them your blood clot. No.
I don't care.
Don't make that chip enough. Don't make that chip enough, man. Back, from back. Your pussy and a ratchet, so you're not a broke back, y'all. Cock up your foot, bandy what not, y'all. Oh, when I fuck out your watch it, not, y'all. This a fuck can make your party sad and this a fuck can make your body that because when you see me asking where is my shoes that. They asking me who is that. I'm coming and knew that. Motherfucking niggas will be done like Tupac when me rock back. You know me trap top. I tell me strap back. Bad man I aim for your blood clot head back. The world is mine.
And I'm flying.
Niggas will be dying. My gun will be buying. Head will be skying. So because these motherfucking niggas are blood clot like Ricky don't give a fuck about nothing. I'm the fucking king. Get up every motherfucking day. And I'm smoking. And I'm drinking. And I'm beating. And I'm a blood clotting.
The Grip.
Yes, one thing me want tell the girl them say no. One thing me want tell them say. If they know they don't have the ukubit, when I call to them, don't answer me. If you know you don't have that grip, you don't have the ukubit, don't waste my time. Don't answer me if you don't have the ukubit. Wanna get it? Argument done.